British Airways.
I'm happy that my mom took a... Did you take a video of the Emirates?
Yes.
I'm happy. And I'm happy because my